In primetime news this evening, declining support for state of public emergency.
People are divided as to whether it is an effective tool in fighting crime.
Details in the RGR Gleaner Group Don Anderson poll. Banned travel restrictions for 4 more countries as Jamaica intensifies surveillance for COVID-19 coronavirus. And 3 students killed in motor vehicle crash.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Janella, by now you've all heard about the 138 student living, which provides accommodation. Well, the company plans to expand outside Jamaica, and I'll have those details in the business day.
Okay, from Andrea we go to Karen Madden at the sports desk. She'll tell us what's coming up in sports. Karen.
Herman, it's a double whammy this evening as the local football fraternity mourns the killing of a popular figure, and a potential travel ban could impact Jamaica's Olympic Games participation over COVID-19 fears. I'll have all those details later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: are you confident in the steps being taken to prevent the novel coronavirus from entering Jamaica?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.
News headlines brought to you by